Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to make delicious lamb chops. These lamb chops are glazed in honey balsamic sauce. They're so flavorful, juicy, and delicious. Let's get started. We're using a rack of lamb for this recipe. We're going to start by slicing the meat alongside each bone to get the perfect cuts. Once the meat is all cut up, we're going to season them with some spices. In this bowl, we have some paprika, garlic powder, dried thyme, dried mustard, salt, and black pepper. We're going to season the lamb chops very well on both sides. Once the lamb chops are seasoned on both sides, we're going to start cooking them. I've gone ahead and heated up some oil in a pan over medium-high heat. We're going to add the seasoned lamb chops, then sear them for 3 minutes on one side. Then we're going to turn them over and sear them for another 3 minutes on the other side. The cooking time depends on your preferred doneness. I like mine medium, so 3 minutes on each side is perfect. Once the meat is golden brown on both sides, we're going to discard all of the excess oil in the pan. We're going to cook the lamb chops in a delicious honey balsamic glaze, so drizzle some honey all over the lamb chops, then add some balsamic vinegar. While the sauce is cooking, move and turn the meat around to coat in the sauce. We're going to keep turning the meat around until the sauce thickens and becomes very sticky. Make sure you keep a close eye on the sauce, that way it doesn't burn. The stickier the sauce, the better the meat tastes, so make sure your sauce gets really sticky. After about a minute or so, the lamb chops will be ready to serve. The lamb chops are so good when served over some mashed potatoes. You can also serve them with some sauteed rice. These honey balsamic glazed lamb chops came out so tender, juicy, flavorful, and delicious. This is a perfect dinner meal. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.